how to get face tracking on Roblox PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get face tracking on Roblox PC. First, open your web browser and go to roblox.com. Now, log in to your account. Once you have logged in, click on the settings icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Now, what you need to do is select Settings from the drop-down menu. You will be redirected to your account information page. Click on the Privacy tab, scroll down to the Communication section, and make sure to set it to Custom. Find the camera option and toggle it on. Click on the Enable button to enable the camera. Your changes have been saved, and you can now easily use face tracking on Roblox. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.